Hello everyone. Today I got to work on my youngest son's truck. He's got a gas leak and it's leaking all of his gas out. And I feel like I got under it, looked, and looks like it might be one of the lines. So it looks like to where it's at, it'd be easier for me to take the bed off and get it from the top side. So come along with me and I'll show you a few little tricks that I try to take the bed off. So y'all just, I'm gonna turn the camera around here and show you a little bit the way I hook everything up and give it a shot. Thank you. Excuse the mess here, but the way I do it, I hook chain to each corner. Down there, I don't know if I'd have to show you. Each corner I've got a chain hooked and it crosses in the middle. And then what I'm going to do is take my engine hoist. I got a little clamp on the end there. I'm going to hook it to that chain and put some tension on it. And then I'm going to take the bolts off. Kind of hope that this cover don't mess me up, but we'll see. Y'all come along with me. Like I said, ignore the junk. I think this is one of his drawers for his bedroom or something. I don't know. Anyway, here we go. Now this is the way I hook it right here. I hook it in my loop and up, and then now if you see this line here, this is the line that comes from the factory on this thing, and to get it to go to where I need with this bumper, see, it's awful close. And I did have to drill another hole into this right at the end, so it's not, it shows this hole's for a half a ton. When it goes all the way out, you know, it is what it is. The bed here, it's always worked good for me, but it is sticking out that much more. So if you try what I'm doing, just understand that the motor hoist is a little bit short, but I did extend mine out just a little bit to do this particular type of project. Okay, to take the bed off, of course, you got 3 bolts here. I think it's 9/32. Take the gas cap off and the bed will come up. Underneath it, you got that block right there. The blue should unhook, and the blue stays with the frame. And the block stays with the bed. Got a bolt there. You got a bolt there on both sides in the back, and then let me get around here in front of the wheel. You got one there, and you got one there. That'll be 8 bolts total, 4 on each side. I've got the bed cover down. I'm hoping that kind of helps. I'm doing this solo right now until one of my kids get here to help me, but as you see, I've got the pressure on the jack there, on my motor stand, and I'm starting to jack it up. And the back of the bed is coming up, so I'm going to go up a little bit higher, and then I think I can push down on the back of the bed and just roll it back. Give me just a second. Okay, that's how you get the bed off, up in the air. I did have to put a piece of wood here to stabilize it because the back was wanting to come up. Probably because the bed cover was on, it was making the front heavy. So I'm going to jack up just a little bit more. As you can see under there, it's up just about enough. I think I can kind of control it with one hand and pull with the other one. I apologize, I don't have my other camera with me, but give me just a minute and I'll roll it right off. I got to thinking, what's going to happen if I'm doing this and something stupid happens and I fall, mess up the bed, and y'all don't get to see it. Y'all seem to like when we have bloopers, but I'm going to try it here, so just watch me. Let's see if I mess up anything. Okay, that's how you do it now. It's like I said, it's up, and as long as it sets still, I might let it sit just like that until my oldest boy gets here and we set it down. Y'all just kind of watch here. Thank you.